In this video, we review Axi Forex Broker. Have you used the Axi Forex Broker before? What was your experience? Leave your Axi Forex Broker reviews in the comments section below. Axi Forex Broker, a global online trading platform, has garnered significant attention within the financial industry. Established in 2007, Axi has grown to serve over 60,000 clients across 100 countries. Its reputation as a reliable and transparent broker is bolstered by its regulation by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, Australia's Securities and Investments Commission, and the Dubai Financial Services Authority. Axi's commitment to providing a secure and user-friendly trading environment has positioned it as a preferred choice for traders of all experience levels. One of Axi's standout features is its diverse range of trading instruments. Clients can access a vast array of markets, including Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This versatility allows traders to tailor their portfolios to their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. Additionally, Axi offers competitive spreads, ensuring that clients can maximize their trading profits. The broker's commitment to transparency is evident in its clear pricing structure and regular updates on market conditions. Axi's trading platform is another key factor contributing to its success. The broker provides access to the popular MetaTrader 4 (MT4) platform, a widely used and customizable tool that caters to both novice and experienced traders. MT4 offers advanced charting capabilities, technical indicators, and automated trading strategies, empowering clients to make informed decisions and execute trades efficiently. Axi's commitment to technological innovation is also reflected in its ongoing development of new tools and features to enhance the trading experience. Axi's dedication to customer service is another area where it excels. The broker offers comprehensive educational resources, including webinars, articles, and tutorials to help clients develop their trading skills. Additionally, Axi's customer support team is available 24/5 to assist clients with any queries or issues. This level of support fosters a positive trading environment and contributes to Axi's reputation as a reliable and trustworthy partner. While Axi Forex Broker has numerous strengths, it is important to note that no broker is without its limitations. Some clients have expressed concerns regarding the broker's customer support response times, particularly during peak trading periods. Additionally, while Axi offers a wide range of trading instruments, some clients may find the selection to be limited compared to other brokers. In conclusion, Axi Forex Broker is a well-established and reputable online trading platform that offers a diverse range of trading instruments, a user-friendly platform, and competitive pricing.